Good evening once again, Weather Watchers. Well, just before we peruse local data, or data if you like, our Tourism Queensland photograph this evening highlights the Youngler region, very, very well known to myself. This is an hour west of Mackay with a height or an elevation of 686 metres above sea level. Now, Youngler is well named because it's derived from an Aboriginal word meaning land of the clouds, and that's a common day in Youngler, lots of low-level stratus. Checking rainfall for the 24 hours to 9 o'clock this morning. I think this was a result of storm activity overnight, around about the southwest of the viewing area. Yatton 37, Middlemount, g'day Middlemount 33, Clermont 29, Capella 18 and Moranbah 5 millimetres. Temperatures through the region today, by gee, it's muggy for the second week of April. Clermont today a maximum of 33, all those maxima well above the April average. Mackay Airport 23 to 31. The only rain for the 6 hours to 3 p.m. was St Lawrence, 1 millimetre. Let's move north-northwest to Mackay. Current data, the temperature 26 and the northerly 22 kilometres an hour. Where's all the rain? There's been rain areas mentioned on most forecasts during the day. Well, it's still well out there to the west. We've got our first satellite picture coming up. That's caused by an upper-level trough. It looks as if it's coming up very, very shortly, and that upper-level trough is moving northeast, so the cloud will generally increase locally with the chance of some light rain. That's the process I'm talking about. Having a closer look at Queensland this afternoon, there were a few showers and weak storms evident anywhere south of about Mackay. There we go. But the bulk of the rain is associated with this cloud mass moving northeast, but as clear as a bell over the far north. Right, I'm on to the chart. A fairly complex pattern. This southeasterly change will move through the local area tomorrow, preceded by a few thunderstorms and finalised by increasing showers, increasing winds and increasing seas. Bad news for that salvage operation off Yeppoon. There is the chance of a weak load spinning up off the coast of Yeppoon in the next 24 hours. Consequently, a strong wind warning has been issued for waters south of St Lawrence. The local forecast, rain areas and isolated thunderstorms, not initially, but probably overnight and tomorrow, easing from the south to just a few showers. And for Wednesday, showers coast to ranges. Central Highlands and coalfields, thundery rain areas overnight or tomorrow morning, gradually clearing north. A quick look at maritime obs, Creel Reef west-northwest at 3 knots. Coastal waters south to southeast 10 to 15, increasing during the day to 20 to 25 knots by late tomorrow. And for Wednesday, south to southeast 20 to 30. There's all the ebbs and the flows for Mackay's outer harbour. Sun up for the city just before 6:15, and finally the summary. Doesn't make good reading, but increasing winds and certainly rising seas. That's it for the weather. Now it's back to Sam.
Thanks, Pete. News headlines can be found on our website, wintv.com.au. Good night.
Good night.
This has been a Win News presentation from Win Television, Australia's largest commercial television network.